In this video, we're diving into the wonders of the Calendar Schedule Appointment tool. The appointment scheduling tool simplifies the process of scheduling meetings and appointments. It allows your business to share your availability, which others can use to book a time slot. So, here's the drill. Head over to Tools, hit Appointment Scheduling, and let's create a new calendar. Inside, you can edit the calendar name and create a short description about the calendar. Oh, and don't forget the time zone. Set it to match your scheduling hours. When it comes to the nitty-gritty of scheduling, tweak it to sync with your business hours for preferred appointment slots. Now, here's the fun part. Choose how these appointments happen: in person, over the phone, or via online meetings. But wait, there's more! Our system will also automatically create the confirmation flow and reminder flows. You also have the option to edit the confirmation message and reminder messages. Last touch, customize those restrictions to fit your style, and then hit save. Once your calendar's all set, grab that link and copy it inside the flow to work its magic. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Got questions or need support? Our amazing help support team is here for you. You'll find our support hotline in the description box below. Thanks for choosing GPT Connect.